Hey, Michelle here from Limitless Possibility. Welcome. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, building an online business, or generating passive income, then this is the channel for you. I want to share with you as much actionable content along with some tips, tricks, and strategies to become successful with affiliate marketing. So I'm sitting down because standing up and doing a video is kind of nerve-wracking. So they say, make a video. It'll be easy. Just do it. Yeah, not so easy. It's nerve-wracking, but I'm having some fun, so I wanted to share with you. So this video topic is going to be about how to find the perfect niche, okay? So if this is something that you're trying to figure out, stick with me. We'll go through it, okay? Let's jump in. All right, so when you're looking at trying to find your niche, the first thing you want to think about is, what are you passionate about? What is your passion, okay? Because that's going to come out when you're teaching or training or helping others, or just showing your products or services. You're going to be extremely passionate about them. So I'm passionate about teaching and helping others, okay? I've been in the Army about 33 years. I love leading soldiers and teaching and training soldiers. So that's something that I want to do once I retire and hit the civilian world. I want to continue teaching and training and helping others, okay? So the first thing you want to do is know your market, okay? There are 3 core markets out there. It's health, wealth, and relationship. Those are your biggest markets that you're going to find on the internet, okay? Everything typically falls within those 3 core markets, okay? Health, wealth, and relationships. So you want to define your market, figure which one you're in. So I'm in the wealth market. I want to help and teach others, with affiliate marketing. So I'm in the wealth market. Now my sub-market is online marketing, online business, make money online, okay? So my niche is affiliate marketing. So you see how we did that? I defined my market, my sub-market, and then my niche. Okay, so that's what you want to figure out is, what are you passionate about? What do you want to do? What is it that you love to do? Okay, what market does it fit under? What's the sub-market? And then again, niche down so that you're not drowning in a sea full of millions of people doing the exact same thing, because you have to stand out from your competition. All right. So some examples I'll give you. All right. Health. All right. You're in the health market. You're in weight loss. Okay. And let's say you focus on keto dieting, like you've done all these keto dietings, you consider yourself to be an expert, or you've taken the keto diet and you've mastered it and you know exactly how to do it. So you want to show others how you did it. So that could be your niche, keto dieting. And of course, you can, expand on that if you've taken other diets or of some other weight loss ways. So health, weight loss, and then whatever your niche is. So again, wealth, I gave you my example, online marketing, affiliate marketing, online business, affiliate marketing. So there's another one like wealth, could be real estate, and then it could be like flipping houses, like that would be your niche. Let me show you how I flip houses, okay? Then another one could be relationships. Parenting falls under relationships. And then dealing with teenagers, that could be a niche. Dealing with unruly toddlers, how to get your baby to sleep through the night. Babies, just babies, teens, preteens. I mean, you could have so many niches inside of one submarket, okay? So keep that in mind. Okay, so now that you've figured out what your niche is, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to figure out who your customer is in that niche. All right, who is your dream customer? If your dream customer was sitting in front of you, who would they be? Okay, you got to figure out where they hang out. Okay, so typically your customers are congregating in a location, whether that be a Facebook group, whether that be a forum, whether that would be Instagram influencers, like they're hanging out with certain influencers on Instagram. Okay, what blogs are they reading? What podcasts are they listening to? What YouTube channels are they watching? Okay, like they're typically your customers, the ones that you're looking for, they're searching for their products, for their problems that they need solved. Okay, and they're watching these channels, they're reading these blogs, they're listening to these podcasts. So that's where these people are hanging out. That's where your customers are hanging out. Okay, so once you know where to find them, then you got to drive traffic to them, okay? So to do this, you have to have a hook, a story, and an offer, all right? So the hook is what grabs their attention long enough for you to tell them your story, okay? So that's the hook is basically either your ad, your images that's on your sales funnel or your pages. Your story is what's going to build a rapport or a relationship with your customer, okay? So you want to be able to build that rapport so they know, like, and trust you, all right? But you got to hook them to get their attention long enough to tell them that story, long enough for you to build that relationship with them, all right? So the offer is the irresistible offer that you have built for them to help solve their problems, okay? The reason they're going to buy from you and not anyone else. So what is that irresistible offer that you can offer them, all right? Think about the result that you're trying to get them and how can you help them get there, like the weight loss. How can you, what makes you the expert? How can you help them differently than anyone else out there, okay? So a business is not about products or services. It's about what results can you get for your customers. So think about that. So you got to kind of change your mindset in how you're thinking about your products and services and about your business as a whole, okay? So what I'd like you to do, if you got some value from this, we're going to dive deeper in some of my next videos, okay? I'm going to take you through the value ladder. I'm going to take you through, but you got to get your mind right. You got to get your mind right and all of your processes and your systems in place first and answer these questions. And let me tell you, I just was jumping all over the place and it wasn't helping me and I was getting nowhere until I sat down, took the time and figured out these first pieces is when it all started making sense. It just all clicked. So now here I am making YouTube videos, helping others. I want to keep you from buying all these courses and taking all these paying so much money for all of these tools and softwares and programs and systems, and don't do that, okay? Take it one step at a time. So these, I'm going to put my videos in a process to help you get to where you need to be, okay? So hit the subscribe, click the little bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Join my growing Facebook group of other affiliate marketers and share your ideas in our community and build your business, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a link for the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing for only $1.99. It's packed full of great ideas to get you on the right road to building your affiliate marketing business, all right? So thanks for tuning in. Michelle again from Limitless Possibility. And remember, anything is possible.